This needs a RAM update. I'm so tired of slow calculators. Just, how are we going to install more RAM on this thing? There's got some laying around here. That ain't gonna work. Not enough. Oh, I know. Perfect. Thank you.